Our vision is to be the global smart city solution provider. And our mission is to improve the quality and resilience of cities through providing smart city solutions.
In Sadeem, basically, we're focusing on increasing resilience of cities, facing the most common natural problem in the planet, which is floods.
The benefits of Sadeem that can provide to cities is the efficient investment on infrastructures and reduction of economical losses.
We took advantage of our research time as PhD students and as a research group to validate the technology, to develop it and test it on real scenarios.
One of the core values is excellence, also innovation, credibility, proactivity, and also empowerment. We can do more, and together with all the cities, we can reduce the losses and save lives and resources in real time.